In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update existing items in Monday.com with a form using Superform app. We'll start right from your Monday.com home screen. At the top of the interface, look for the small puzzle icon. That's your gateway to apps in the marketplace. Click it to open the marketplace where you can discover and add tools to your account. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Superform. You're looking for the Superform listing, which is designed to let you collect updates through a form and push them directly to existing items on your boards. Click into the Superform listing to view the details, then choose Install App. If you're prompted to select where to install, you'll see options for all workspaces or specific workspaces. For broad access during setup and testing, choose all workspaces for now unless your organization prefers tighter control. You can always narrow the scope later if needed. Confirm by clicking Install. Once the app is installed, you'll be guided to choose where you want to use it. Select the workspace that contains the board you plan to update, then pick the specific board. This ensures the app is added exactly where your items live. When prompted, click Add App to attach Superform to that board as a view or connected feature. Next, you'll see an authorization screen. Click Authorize to grant Superform the permissions it needs to read and update your board's items and columns. This is required so the form can write changes back to your data. If you don't have the right permissions, ask an admin to approve the app first. Now you're ready to make edits. Open the Superform interface on your board. Here, you'll configure and use the form to update existing items rather than creating new ones. As you fill out fields, the updates map to your board's columns, keeping your data consistent. Use clear labels so anyone completing the form understands exactly what they're changing. If your team relies on specific columns like status, dates, or numbers, make those fields visible and required in the form so updates are accurate. Before sharing broadly, test the form on a single item to confirm that changes land in the right place. That's it. You've installed Superform, added it to your board, authorized access, and opened the form where edits happen. With this setup, your team can quickly update existing items through a user-friendly form while maintaining control and clarity on your Monday.com board.